What's up? I'm Joe with OCDetailing, and this is a cyber cap. If you don't know what this is, our friends made this. It's really well constructed. Actually, it's welded aluminum, and like how clean they did the welds on this blew me away. These guys are the OCD of steel welding. It's amazing the quality on this thing. It feels very durable. And what it's meant for is to go on top of the tailgate of a CYBERTRUCK and cover that black plastic there that gets destroyed so easy and give you a little bit more of a rugged look. Look, this thing does come unwrapped, so it looks just like the same stainless that your CYBERTRUCK would be in. But the truck we're putting it on is our personal truck that is wrapped in ULTRAFIT Retro Phoenix Red. So we have this one wrapped. Let's go do the install. Now this is a lot more durable. It's actually not gonna scratch as easy, and it's all body matched to the truck because we wrapped it. So next time Triton jumps in here, we don't have to worry about him beating up this plastic. We actually had this type of a cover on here, which is the one from Tesla that looks really bad. So I can't wait for them to make some cyber caps for the bumpers and stuff. But this looks way better, and actually it's gonna protect a lot better, and it's not gonna let that plastic get messed up. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing.